about to go to bed. If you can't tell by the horror of this outfit, don't tell me you wear silk pajamas to bed. I'm rotting in my dad's t-shirt. I know everyone and their mother has seen the Sleepy Girl cocktail all over TikTok. She's taken the world by storm. Today, we're making a spin on the Sleepy Girl mocktail. We're making a sleepy UTI girl mocktail. If you want to be a sleepy girl, but maybe you get a lot of UTIs, this is the beverage for you to kill two birds with one stone. I know many people who have hoo-haws may have experienced a UTI before. A UTI is basically what happens when E. coli enters the urinary tract, and it leads to an infection that's extremely uncomfortable. The most common way people get it is like after sex. That's why you always gotta pee after, okay? Flush it out. But especially if you're struggling with reoccurring UTIs, you've maybe been told to drink cranberry juice or take cranberry pills. Cranberries contain something in them I can't pronounce that basically help prevent the bacteria that causes UTIs from like sticking to the urinary tract. So if it can't stick there, then it's flushed away next time you pee. Famously, the Sleepy Girl mocktail contains tart cherry juice because tart cherry juice has been said to increase your body's production of melatonin, which helps you sleep. Sorry, I didn't realize my phone was in this shot this whole time. Well, cranberries also contain a bunch of antioxidants that can make you sleepy. So you can drink cranberry juice before bed also. Now, the other key ingredient in the Sleepy Girl mocktail is magnesium. Anyone who's taken magnesium before bed knows that it helps you sleep and you'll take a giant shit in the morning. Two things I love most in life. Well, magnesium also plays a vital role in regulating our hormones and can help reduce a lot of our PMS symptoms. There's more emerging research about how magnesium can help us during our cycles. We also know stress can cause all sorts of imbalances in our bodies. Magnesium helps with stress. If stress is regulated, our bodies are regulated, overall good for our health, including our vajayjay health. A stressed puss is not a happy puss. So far, 2-star ingredients that help our sleep and help our snatch. Maybe I've talked about this, maybe I haven't, maybe I will. But if you don't know, probiotics are also essential for our gut health. They help balance the good and bad bacteria in our gut, which in turn balances the good and bad bacteria in our vajays. In order for probiotics to work, you need to have prebiotics as well. Everyone's going loco cuckoo crazy for prebiotic sodas, and this is optional. So obviously a prebiotic and probiotic mix in your diet is going to be great for your hoo-ha health. So if you want, you can add an Olipop. I personally like the ginger lemon flavor in this one. Or you can just do sparkling water, which is obviously the healthiest, cleaner option because this has other stuff in it. None of it's bad, but it's up to you and how your body processes this stuff, especially right before sleep. So sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. No sugar, good for your gut health, and delicious. Now my star ingredient that you're gonna think I'm crazy for, she's so crazy, is coconut milk. The 100% cranberry juice, we're not doing a cranberry drink, by the way, okay? Make sure it's 100% cranberry juice. It's gonna be tart as shit. We don't want any of the extra sugars or extra juices right before bed. That could actually inhibit our sleep quality. But anyway, the tart-ass cranberry juice is tart. When adding the magnesium, I feel like this personally gives it a very citrusy taste. This makes it taste like I just squeezed like 4 limes in there. So to add a little bit of sweetness that's not sugar, that's not going to keep us up at night, and give it like a richer, more comforting flavor, I add a splash of coconut milk. Okay, so you know the old wives' tale? I actually don't know if it's an old wives' tale or if it's actually scientific fact. Maybe it's both. Drinking a warm glass of milk before bed helps you sleep. That's because there's like an amino acid in milk that helps you sleep. Same thing in coconut milk. Coconut milk's packed with the naturally occurring magnesium, potassium, and other amazing ingredients good for sleep and for you. Now, why is it good for your coochie? Well, coconut naturally is a diuretic, which means it helps you make piss, essentially. So good for a UTI if you're trying to flush that shit out. And coconut milk has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help fight against infections, like coochie infections. I have no idea if I've been in focus this entire video. Even though I have my glasses on, I should be able to see, but I'm tired. I want to go to bed. It's late. I can't see shit. My eyes aren't working. So I need to make this beverage. So even if you're doing like coconut water or sparkling coconut water, that would be good if you don't want to do something heavier like coconut milk. I just don't have any coconut water or sparkling coconut water, which now that I'm thinking more about it, sounds like it would taste fucking delicious.
Hey, it's me from the future. I made this with coconut water the next day and I liked it better than the coconut milk. However, both were yummy. Both provide the same health benefits. I'll make it with both, but try it and see which one you like better.
Step 1, ice. An aesthetic looking cup. Also essential. Sorry, I love nothing more than a cute little beverage. I think drinking it in a cute little glass makes it taste better, and it also makes you feel better. Ice, ice, baby. Did you guys hear about all of that drama with Ice Spice? To be honest, I don't know what the fuck was going on. All I know is from the TikTok recaps is that Ice Spice is not a girl's girl, unfortunately, is what I heard. I don't have all the info. Someone fill me in. And now we're going to take our 100% cranberry juice. Take your prebiotic soda, your sparkling water, your flat water, whatever it is you want to dilute it with. Do a few splashes of that. If you're doing coconut water or sparkling coconut water, you may not even need this. I'm honestly just adding this for like the extra gingery flavor. And the prebiotics. Now, I already have like an open jar of coconut milk. Oh. She's looking beautiful. And then we're gonna add our magnesium. Also important, a very aesthetic looking straw. Give her a good mix. Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. Bro, why didn't I think of this before? I'm always struggling trying to mix the powder in this. You can literally just use a cocktail shaker. Shake her all up. I probably wouldn't use this if I used a sparkling beverage though. I feel like it would explode, right? Anyway, you can do that too. And you know why I love this drink? It's pink. Like my pussy. Just kidding, my pussy's not pink. She's like tan. And, you know, it's okay if your pussy's not pink, if it's not bubblegum pink. Pussies come in all sorts of shades. Pussies come in all sorts of size, shapes, and colors, and we love and celebrate all of them here. And we love to keep them healthy, hydrated, and UTI-free with this beverage. She's cute. She's so cute in my opinion. Yeah, it really does have, that magnesium and cranberry juice really does give it that like, sort of like you just ate a sour candy taste. That's why I feel like the coconut milk's essential. Bueno. Going to bed, a sleepy girl, waking up with an extra tight, healthy coochie. I love that for you. Let me know if you try this. I want to know if you like it. The ingredient list is here if you want to screenshot it so you can go to the grocery store. You can also find the full ingredient list and directions on my Lemon8. Everyone needs to make a Lemon8. It's my new favorite app. Also, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. Let's be friends. Comment, like, and subscribe if you love coochie.